Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix a no sound problem in Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. Go to search menu and type control panel. Click on open it. Select view by two large icons and select the sound. In this list you just need to select your audio device and select set default option. If it is not enabled, you just need to right click on it and select enable it guys. After doing it, you just need to check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 2 guys. Method 2, you just need to right click on your audio device and select properties. Select spatial sound. Click on the drop down and you just need to select this to off position guys and select apply and OK for save changes. After doing this, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 3 guys. You just need to select the sound and just minimize this and go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. You just need to expand the sound, video and game controller. In here you can able to see your audio device name guys. You just need to right click on it and select uninstall device. After uninstalling the device, you just need to go ahead and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will automatically reinstall the deleted driver. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the method 4 guys. Go to search menu and type services. Click on open it. In here you need to search for Windows audio service. Double click on it. Startup type set to automatic, and if the service status is stopped, then you just need to start it and select apply and OK for save changes. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these methods fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.